Hello students, welcome to the online classes of e-commerce and digital solution. This is the subject you are going to learn in your FI BBA in your first semester. This subject has 2 credits. This subject is asked for 50 marks, out of which 25 marks for internal examination and 25 marks for external examination. Today we are starting chapter number 1. The title of the chapter is Introduction to E-commerce, and in this first chapter we are learning question number 1. So the question number 1 is explain the meaning and definitions of e-commerce and discuss various features of e-commerce. So in this particular question we are asked to describe the meaning and definitions of e-commerce, and then we will learn the features. Features means the characteristics of e-commerce. So let us start with the introduction. So we are living in the e-century. E-century, that means all the things are being digitalized. Everywhere we hear the word digitalization, and we do many tasks online in the electronic mode. So we are living in the e-century. The internet and information and communication technology, that is known as ICT, are central to economic growth and productivity. Now for economic growth and increasing the productivity, every country of the world is trying to use internet and information and communication technology. So internet and information communication technology, that is ICT, are being central role for the economic growth of the country. Internet based technologies and networks can increase productivity, decrease cost, and open new market opportunities. So if we use internet based technology in our business, it can increase our productivity. It is helpful to decrease the cost, and it is helpful to open new opportunities in the market. So the use of internet and e-commerce is very much helpful for every business as well as for the development of the whole country. So nowadays using the internet and email to conduct the business is common. So every business is using internet and content email to conduct their businesses. So there is a wide variety of resources available to help you to improve your e-commerce skills. Various tools are available with which you can understand and learn various aspects of e-commerce. So here in this subject we are going to learn various aspects of e-commerce skills. So in the next part of our question we can understand the meaning of e-commerce. So e-commerce, it is the short form of electronic commerce. It is a methodology of modern businesses which address the need of business organization, vendors and customers to reduce cost and improve the quality of goods and services while increasing the speed of delivery. So internet and e-commerce. So e-commerce is the short form of electronic commerce. It is a methodology of modern business. That means it is the method of modern business which addresses the need of business organizations. E-commerce addresses the need of business organization. Addresses the need means satisfies the need of e-commerce organizations. Besides the vendors, vendors means the sellers and the customers. What kind of needs are satisfied? Need to reduce the cost, need to improve the quality of goods and services. Besides, it increases the speed of delivery of goods and services. So the concept of e-commerce is all about using the internet to do the business faster. So e-commerce concept is useful for internet, and with the help of internet we can do our business at a faster pace. So now let us understand the definitions of e-commerce. The first definition of e-commerce: electronic commerce or e-commerce refers to a wide range of online business activities for products and services. So when we do all the activities related to the products and services online, that means electronically, it is considered as e-commerce. This definition is given by Anita Rosen. Another definition says that electronic commerce is about doing business electronically. So when we do all the business activities electronically, that means with the help of computer, with the help of internet, with the help of mobile phone, with the help of social media, all these electronic media are used to do the business. It is considered as e-commerce. This definition is given by P. Timmers. Another definition of e-commerce is, so e-commerce is usually associated with buying and selling over the internet or conducting any transaction involving the transfer of ownership or rights to use goods or services through a computer mediated network. So e-commerce is usually associated with the buying and selling over the internet. So when you buy the goods or sell the goods over the internet, or you conduct any business transaction, that means transferring of ownership or rights of goods or service through the computer mediated network, that means you use computer and internet to transfer the goods and services, or to make payment of goods or services, or any kind of transaction. When it is done with the help of computer and internet, it is considered as e-commerce. So this definition is given by Thomas L. Messenberg. So these are the definitions of e-commerce. Now in the next part, we will learn features of e-commerce.